Samsung just dropped a bombshell with One UI 8, and trust me, this update isn't just about a few UI tweaks. We're talking about a game-changing multi-window upgrade inspired by Android 16 and an insane new tap-to-repair feature using QR codes and NFC. Sounds small? Not at all. This could change the way you multitask and how you fix your phone forever. Stay with me till the end because we're breaking down everything, from how the new split screen mode works to why walking into a repair shop might never be the same again. Let's start with the multi-window feature, something Samsung pioneered way back in 2012 with the Galaxy Note 2. In One UI 8, it's finally getting the flexibility we've been waiting for. The first change is a new window configuration that lets you drag the border and make one app take up most of the screen. Almost like full screen mode, but smarter. This is super handy when you're using one app that needs your attention while keeping another open in the background. But here's where it gets even better. You can now switch which app gets the bigger screen just by tapping it. Want to switch focus from your YouTube video to your Notes app? Just tap it. No menus, no gestures, no dragging. Just instant control. One thing to keep in mind though, this feature only works when one of the apps takes up about 90% of the screen. It won't work if both apps are split evenly, but for real multitaskers, this is a powerful upgrade. Now, let's talk about something completely unexpected: NFC and QR-powered smartphone repairs. With One UI 8, if your phone needs a repair, you don't have to fill out forms or go through a boring check-in process. Just tap your phone or scan a QR code, and all the repair information is instantly shared with the service center. It's fully connected to your Samsung account, which means no paperwork, less waiting, and a lot more convenience. A leaked video from trusted tipster at Gamer Omega just hit the internet, and it shows One UI 8 in action. What stands out? A brand new animation engine that refuses to lag, even when you're opening apps like a maniac. In One UI 7, spamming more than 2 apps would glitch out your animations. But now, One UI 8 stays buttery smooth with seamless transitions, no matter how fast or how many apps you launch. Whether you're casually scrolling or aggressively multitasking, it handles it all like a pro. Even on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, the animations held up beautifully, whether apps were opened slowly or rapidly. This isn't just a visual change, it's a performance boost. According to recent discussions in Samsung's official community forums, the One UI 8 beta program will likely remain limited to the same 7 countries as before. That means no new markets are being added, despite growing demand from users worldwide. Right now, One UI 8 beta forums are already active in Germany, India, Poland, the United Kingdom, and the United States. The remaining 2, South Korea and China, are expected to go live soon. If you're outside these regions, unfortunately, you're once again left out. Samsung seems to be sticking with its established strategy of launching betas only in regions with the most active feedback communities, just like they did with One UI 6 and One UI 7. But here's where things get interesting. If you've been dealing with battery drain issues on One UI 7, there's finally some good news. Leaks are pointing to a major turnaround. Tipster Taryn Vats just shared a screenshot from a Galaxy S25 Ultra running a beta build of One UI 8, version ZYJ. The phone was set to Quad HD resolution, connected to Wi-Fi, and still managed an incredible 7 hours of screen-on time with 22% battery left. That's not just good, it's seriously impressive. Taryn emphasized in his post that this wasn't just about numbers on paper, but about real-world performance. If this improvement makes it into the stable version, One UI 8 could be Samsung's redemption arc after the battery mess of One UI 7. Even better, One UI 8 seems to be arriving earlier than expected. Samsung recently said it's coming this summer, and now users have spotted a banner for the One UI 8 beta program in the Samsung Members app. The banner tells users they'll be able to sign up once the beta goes live, and this notification has already popped up in several countries, including South Korea. That means we're getting really close to the beta phase officially kicking off. So, if you're in one of the lucky 7 countries, get ready.